7 birds that can sleep while flying. Nature's most remarkable aerial survivors. While sleeping mid-air sounds unbelievable, it is a special adaptation among birds. As reported in a study published in Nature Communications by the scientists at the Max Planck Institute of Animal Behavior, certain species of birds can fall asleep in flight using unihemispheric slow-wave sleep, when one hemisphere of the brain is resting, and the other one remains awake. In this way, they can stay aloft for hours during migration or flights over the sea, without losing their navigational abilities. Here are 7 species of birds that can sleep mid-flight. Alpine swift. It is a good example of a bird capable of spending an extremely long period of time in the air. The research based on using tagging devices showed that these birds could remain in the air for several months, landing only during the breeding season. It is believed that they can sleep for brief moments while gliding at great height, allowing them to proceed with their incredible flights. Great frigate bird. It became one of the best-known flyers able to sleep. The research discovered that great frigate birds could spend weeks in the air above tropical oceans sleeping just for a couple of seconds. It is assumed that while being aloft, they use unihemispheric sleep, allowing half of the brain to be still awake to ensure their safety and control over flight. Sooty tern. It is one more example of a seabird that can stay in the air for several months. Sooty terns make long flights over tropical waters where landing places are scarce. It is believed that they can use short breaks to rest while gliding in order to preserve energy for long flights covering 1,000 kilometers of sea. Wandering albatross. Well known because of having one of the largest wingspans of any living bird, wandering albatross is especially adapted to easy gliding over the Southern Ocean. It does not flap its wings all the time, but uses air currents staying in the air for a long time. Scientists suppose that the effective method of flying allows them to take short periods of sleep while still moving a great distance. Bar-tailed godwit. It holds record for the longest non-stop flights ever recorded. Individuals of bar-tailed godwit can fly for more than 11 days without landing during flights between Alaska and New Zealand. While scientists are still investigating the process of how they sleep during flights, it is believed that they can take very short periods of sleep while continuing to fly. Northern gannet. These powerful seabirds live a major part of their lives over the sea hunting for fish. During long hunting trips and migratory flights, they can remain in the air for long periods thanks to the combination of efficient soaring and short breaks. Similar to several other seabirds, they can use the adaptation of unihemispheric sleep. Common swift. It spends most of its life in the air as it eats, drinks, mates while being aloft. Out of the breeding season, these birds usually do not land. Scientists are still investigating the methods of how they rest during the flights, but there is an assumption that they can experience short periods of sleep-like condition while gliding at great heights.